What is going on, Crazy Ones? It's me, Crazy Wombat. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ring that notification button. Today we'll be opening up 2 more lightning packs from Walgreens. We've hit the fire on them, and we're going to hit the fire again because we're wearing these sunglasses this time. So without further ado, let's get right into it and stick around for our contest entry. So let's open these lightning packs and let's see if there's still fire. Alright, so we got these lightning packs from Walgreens like we had before. We're going to see if they're fire still, but this time they are a little bit different. They did have... Oh, shoot. Oh, Snickle Fritz. Oh, Snickle Fritz. So there is our Reggie Gabrago rare. So let's see, that's 2 packs. Where the heck did the other 2 packs go? There's Astral Radiance. And we lost a pack. Oh, it's in the plant. Nope, that's not one. Oh, shoot, it's in the plant. There's the 4th. Alright, technical difficulties over. Alright, talk about my technical difficulties in the comments for this week's contest giveaway entry. Man, it's like my first time every time opening packs like this. Oh, we got a nice little Spark from Pokemon Go. All sorts of bent up. But that's cool, I guess. That's a promo. But it's like leaning way left. So what do we got in these new, what the hell are these called? Lightning packs. We got Brilliant Stars, Astral Radiance, Pokemon Go, and Crown Zenith. And in this one, we have the same. We have Brilliant Stars, Pokemon Go, Astral Radiance, and Crown Zenith. So we're going to move them over like that. We're going to open up Pokemon Go first, Brilliant Stars, Astral Radiance, and finish it off with Crown Zenith. So Pokemon Go gets a bad reputation, but I've actually gotten, like, you know, half decent hits out of it. Like, definitely, I don't know, I think the set's pretty cool. Honestly, there's our code card. Watch, we're not going to hit anything now, but again, I like the set. Spark, Chansey, Steelix, like, I like the art. It reminds me of, like, there's Pikachu, Squirtle. Like, it reminds me of kind of like the old ones. And, like, I'm definitely excited for 151 to come out. There's a Tyranitar regular rare. Still worth. I don't know if it's worth that much, but I like it. I think it's cool. So we got one more. Again, I think, like, this set reminds me a lot of, like, vintage cards. So I like the artwork, so I don't think this set's whack. Charizard, there we go. Snorlax, sick. I got those cards already, but, like, still sick. I love it. Like, why not? No real huge hit yet, but, you know. First 2 packs. Pokemon Go. Whatever. Definitely have, like, better packs in here. And all, like, you know, this will open eventually. Jesus. Pretend like you know how to open a pack, right? Alright, let's see what we got. Weevil, Kindler, Cafe Master, that guy. Clink, Dedenne, that guy. Duskull, Upside Down Swak, and a Lucario. So definitely not killing it yet. Let's see if we can get a hit. Because then if not, we're going to need to go on a run here. Because so far, not looking so hot. That's a good code card, but who knows? All that could mean is a holo. Floatzel, that guy, Clefairy, that guy, Swak, Quarterfish, Alcremie, and a Luxray. Like, psh. Straight trash so far. Guys, Astral Radiance. Let's see if we can pick it up. What does Astral Radiance have in it? Charizard. I'm like, I can't open the packs. Sheesh. We're getting the good code cards, but I guess they're not the good code cards for a whole lot of nothing. All right. We got Leafeon as our rare. I did the pack trick wrong, and that's our rare. And Ralts. And that's a whole lot of trash again. I don't know. I guess I like the Leafeon artwork. What am I going to do with that, though? I like it. Who cares, right? Next up, one more pack of Astral Radiance. We have to hit cards. We have to have hits in our next 3 packs. At least 2 packs. We have to have at least 2 hits to, like, kind of make this worth it. Who cares, right? Let's see. What do we got? Grass Energy. That guy, 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 that guy. Alright, cool. That's sick. Origin Form Palkia V-Star. Alright, guys, let's go. 2 packs of Crown Zenith. What can we pull? I'm happy with Palkia. I really am. I truly, truly am. Let's go, Crown Zenith, though. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Palkia is definitely a hit. I mean, you know, comparatively. Let's get something crazy. Let's get something crazy. Let's get something crazy. Let's get something crazy. Nothing crazy. No, nothing crazy today. Alright, one last pack of Crown Zenith, and then I'm gonna go cry, because this is straight garbage. You win some, you lose some. Sometimes you hit awesome lightning packs, and sometimes you hit just straight trash. Guys, sometimes you just hit straight trash.